To provide the best potential gain from a solar installation, the panel position should be carefully considered. Ideally, the panel should face south in the northern hemisphere and north in the southern hemisphere, pointing towards the equator. The selected position should also be capable of supporting the weight of the filled panels. When it is not possible to position the panels facing in the ideal direction, then alternative positions and panel arrangements can be considered. This should involve positioning the panels facing east-west or increasing the number of panels used. Refer to the manual or ask for advice. In this DVD, we demonstrate the fitting of a single panel. The second panel is added by simply linking together backplates and mounting brackets. Check the components of boxes 1 and 2 and lay them all out. Ensure all components are present and that the pipe fixings are correct. Refer to the manual for additional information. Inspect the panel for any damage. Now that all the parts have been checked, the panel components can be fitted. After checking, the solar panels must remain covered until they are filled. Ensure that the plastic sealing plugs remain fitted until the pipework is connected. Position the first lat 120 mm from the top edge of the tile below the panel position. Secure the LED flashing to this lat with the screws provided. Secure the other lats to the positions shown. Position the left-hand side track, then using the dimensions shown, fit the lower fixing brackets. Once the lats have been fitted, secure the LED flashing to the bottom lat. Then fit the left-hand side track, overlapping the LED flashing at the bottom fixing track with washer screws provided, screwing the track to the lats. Using brackets provided, attach the metal brackets to the track and screw these to the lats. Measuring 580 mm from the outer edge of the left-hand side track to its centre, secure the first bracket in place. Then, measuring 660 mm between centres, fit the second, third and fourth brackets. Before fitting the aluminium sheet panel, remove the protective coating. Ensure that the sheet is fixed and pushed in firmly under the lip of the left-hand track. Then secure the right-hand side of the sheet using metal brackets to screw to the lats. Here we demonstrate the fitting of one panel. When more than one panel is being installed, repeat the procedure of fitting the rear sheet. Now fit the right-hand side track, making sure the lip is firmly secure. The base plate is now ready for the panel. Make up the top brackets as shown. Slide the panel onto the roof into position. Then fix the bottom panel to the brackets as shown. Once the bottom panel has been secured to the brackets, we then slide the top brackets underneath the panel and secure. The top bracket is then secured to the top lat, and then repeat for the second bracket. The solar panel connections are now ready to be assembled using anaerobic sealant that resists high temperature, higher than 150 degrees C, and is resistant to glycol high density Teflon or hemp. Assemble the parts as shown. The top fitting is now ready to be fitted. It is important that all the fittings must have brass olives fitted. Connect the bottom right plug, making sure the brass olive has been fitted. Then connect the left-hand bottom outlet connection. It is important that the return flow from the solar pump is connected to the lower left-hand side connection, and the flow to the solar pump is from the right-hand side connection. The remaining connections must be blanked off. If you are using copper pipework, then the fitting supplied is used. If you are using an alternative pipework, then the bottom fitting must be replaced. Connect the left-hand top plug and then fit the right-hand connection combined with a thermostat pocket and air vent. In this installation, we are using a flexible stainless steel pipework with insulation material that resists temperatures close to 150 degrees centigrade. If alternative pipework is to be fitted, i.e. copper, then connect to the fitting as shown. Once the pipework has all been connected, then we can fit the angular corner brackets as shown. These must be connected to all four corners of the solar panel. The side, top and bottom panels can now be fitted, screwing them to all four brackets on each corner. Once all the pipework, brackets and cover plates are fitted, the sensor, which can be found in the Inset Solar Expansion card kit, can be fitted into the file pocket. Remove the securing clip. Fully insert the sensor into the file pocket, then secure with a clip. Then thread the cable into the loft space. To avoid damage to the control system from lightning, an overvoltage protector must be used to connect the solar sensor to the boiler. Secure the connector in a suitable position, then thread the two cables into the housing and connect using the overvoltage protector. The solar panel is now completed. This shows a singular panel. If more than one panel is to be fitted, then the coupling cover kit will need to be used.